Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. This video is in partnership with Tandy Leather. Tandy Leather sent me this TandyPro Heat Imprinter back in November for an unboxing and review. They've asked me to share some of my thoughts since I've had some more time with it. Let's get into it. Now, in my last unboxing video, I showed how you can install the letters into the alphabet slot to either heat imprint or get some foil lettering. Tandy sent me some 3D stamps that you can attach to the 3D stamp holder that comes in the accessory kit. You will have to go back to the temperature chart in order to get some guidance on the embossing and the foil that you're going to do for your piece. However, you will need some time to fine tune and get a really good foil marking or heat embossing on your scrap leather before moving on to your actual product. I ended up doing a ton of testing and even made some notes so that I can save you some time by sharing my best results. Once you've attached your 3D stamp to the 3D stamp holder, put that into the T slot on the machine and plug it in and turn on the heat imprinter. You're going to want to set the temperature to about 120 to 135, and while that's heating up, we're going to line up our leather with the stamp. I suggest taping down the piece so it won't move with something like a painter's tape that won't leave any sort of residue or harm the top of your leather. When the stamp is up to temperature after a few minutes, go ahead and give the leather a first heat embossing without any foil for anywhere from 3 to 10 seconds, depending on the leather you're using and the temperature you're setting at. Doing this will give a sort of channel for the foil to sit into. You can even press again for more detail since we've taped this down and the leather doesn't move. Then add your foil and press for 3 seconds. Once you've removed the foil, take a boar's hair brush to brush off any excess foil. And then you might need to use a scratch awl to remove any foil bleeding. I tried this a ton of times and ended up needing to use a combination of things like the boar's hair brush, the scratch awl, and the pads of my fingers in order to get a really good looking foil mark. And that's it. Now you might also want to use the punch press tool holder attachment with this press. I'm going to show you how you can attach that now. First, use an adjustable wrench to unbolt the heating element. Then unscrew the screw that's attached to the press shaft with the provided Allen key. Now loosen the bolts just below the top plate. Then loosen the bolts at the bottom of the long screws that attach to the T-slot below. Now unscrew and back out the screws from the T-slot piece. There's no need to unscrew these entirely. For this next part, you will need a 5/16 inch Allen key to unscrew the plate from the bottom of the shaft. Then attach the tool holder pieces that come in the accessories pack. And now you can attach whichever punch tools you'd like. This makes it easy if you, for example, want to make a jig and punch out some holes for a belt strap. Well, I hope this video gives you insight into the TandyPro Heat Imprinter. If you want to learn more about the TandyPro Heat Imprinter, head to tandyleather.com. I'm on Instagram at Legacy Brand Leather. Go ahead and give me a follow there. I post product photos, process photos, and general rugged vibes. If you want to support my channel, head to patreon.com/Legacy Brand Leather. To visit my online store, head to legacybrandleather.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below and please subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there. Well, I hope this video was helpful. And now you can attach whatever, depending on the leather I tried this a ton of times and ended up needing to unscrew the screw,